Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Planarista 101. Today, we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all. So this is my monthly, and this is this week. It's all planned up, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a spread for the week of the 10th through the 16th. Let me get some of this sun away, though. Okay, looks like I have fixed the sun issue just a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead. I printed these are so spring-like, and I wanted to use them. I'm also going to be using this book and this book, so here we go. I'm gonna start with the girl, probably as always, and thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys will like this one. Okay, so we have this beautiful girl. I think I'm going to start with the boxes and the checklists. I need the red. Okay, this will do. It can be bright. Okay, I'm going to grab my tweezers and I'm going to start. I hope your guys' week is going okay. I hope that you're getting ready for Easter if you're celebrating. Let me know if you guys are doing anything exciting. I always love to hear about you guys. Okay, so let's place these down like so. I want them as straight as possible. Okay. And I kind of do want them in one row. I like doing that. It also helps me kind of focus, because then all of my to-dos are on the same eye level. Okay. Two more after this. Awesome. Okay. And then this up here. Okay, so this is how it's going to go. So that was the Check It Off book. Now I'm gonna use the red boxes. I have quite a few things going on, so let me see. I want to use these, so 4 of these. Good. Then a couple boxes. Okay, Sunday. So I know I need a big box on Sunday. We have a plan. I am doing things on Thursday, Monday. I know, I like put so many boxes in here, so bear with me, but I'm gonna be done soon, and I don't want them like on same level, so I play with this, and then we're gonna put all of the decorations. I do need a box for Saturday as well. Let's see. I always forget that this book has checklists as well, so kind of cool. I'm gonna grab one of these like smaller ones and put it right here. Okay. All I know is that with the amount of boxes that I have, I probably will never run out, which is good, right? Okay, there we go. And now I can do all of these different decorations up here. So I love this flower arrangement. So I'm gonna for sure put it up here. Let's see if this, how much this will take. A little too much, so we're not gonna do that. But I will take this big tulip arrangement and put it on the other side. Like, look how beautiful. And I love that they're kind of more pastel, so then I can play with colors and kind of add darker and lighter tones. I'm gonna put the watering can maybe like up here. I don't know. Okay. Let's see. I can use this technically as a box and write inside of it. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's flat. Okay. Let me put that little piece back. I'm gonna put some tulips right up here, kind of like joining the boxes. Let's see, if I move this box down, I'll be able to put this little flower pot on top. So it's like the flowers are growing. It's like a little shelf for my flower. So cute. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna do this coffee like right up here. And then I'm gonna put some flowers in between. Let's see if I can take this and make another shelf like this right here. Yeah, I think that's okay. And then what should I add up here? Kind of don't overwhelm this because I like the simplistic look, but I need another box for here. Actually, Monday's gonna be busy for us, so I'm gonna put another box and one more actually. Okay. No, I don't like the placement of this. I'm gonna take it off. And put it right there. Okay. I think that works. Now I'm gonna let me see if this would work. So I want to cut this off. and then put it on the top. And that's about it. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you thought. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do like an upside down, maybe like this. Yep. Okay. I am all done. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for joining and have a great day.